If you find yourself starving even after eating dinner, you're not alone. Everyday eating patterns could be making you extra hungry without knowing it.
But with a few easy tricks, curbing your insatiable appetite is easier than you think. Here to tell us how is the diet-free dietitian, Bronwyn Greenfield. Good morning to you. Love that name.
Hi.
What are some of the reasons you could still be feeling hungry after a meal?
Yeah. So there's 4 pretty standout reasons that I see a lot of. So first being definitely not including enough protein, high fibre carbohydrates or slow-releasing carbohydrates, together with colourful veggies or fruits within each meal and snack over the day. So by not achieving that at each of our meals and snacks, we're setting ourselves up to feel quite unsatisfied after we eat. So that's a really big one. Next would be, I guess, not eating enough earlier in the day. So if we're not satisfying ourselves, so, you know, we're skipping breakfast, we're not eating until mid-afternoon, we're setting ourselves up to get to our meal and not actually feel satisfied no matter what we eat.
Yeah, I mean, it's the irony of things, right, where you need to eat more to, you know, fulfil yourself, but also you don't want to go too far and start putting on weight, obviously. So what's on a plate? What's day on a plate? What do we have?
For sure. So here, each of these incorporate what I've just spoken about. So they each incorporate a source of protein, slow-releasing carbohydrates, and some kind of colour, so fruit or vegetables, to make sure that we actually feel satisfied after eating. So first for breakfast, we've got the overnight oats with berries, and it's like a peanut butter banana overnight oats, which is really super easy. And then for a snack, we've got, again, peanut butter and banana. I really love that.
We can tell,
that's the extra protein, right, in the peanut butter?
Yeah,
okay, so just a little dash of protein.
Yeah, just a top-up of protein and healthy fats, which is really good. And then for lunch, we've got a tuna salad wrap, which is really nice. And then afternoon tea, a little, like, snack plate where we've got some whole grain crackers, ricotta cheese, and a few different veggies just to top up on.
Like a little ploughman's.
Yeah.
Right, OK, so not like a whole packet of Tim Tams or anything. That's just definitely not on.
I mean, look, don't say no, but I'd say top yourself up first and then reassess. So that's why after the chicken pad see ew, I've got a little chocky over there.
That one little one.
Looks so random sitting there,
I know. But you have it with the nuts to actually fill yourself up. But of course, if you want more, that is okay. But the whole point of the spread is to show that by actually filling yourself up, you might actually get to the chocky and not feel like having the entire block because you've nourished yourself properly.
If you're still hungry, just some little snacks that you can chuck in along the way that we don't feel guilty about.
Yeah, absolutely. So aside from the ones on the day on a plate, we've got a few other ideas here. So again, we could do like the peanut butter and fruit, or we could do like some yogurt and fruit, or yogurt and muesli is a really good option as well because it incorporates that protein in the yogurt and the carbs in the muesli as well, or fruit. And then we've got some boiled eggs and crackers, or we could, again, do a little bit of chocky and some, this is like a chickpea nut mix, which is really yummy as well.
Just sorry to harp on the chocolate.
That's okay.
What sort of chocolate is the best one to have as a snack?
If we're talking about health benefits, look, I'm not going to lie and say that dark chocolate isn't the best, but I'm a big believer in eating what you're truly desiring, because if we constantly try to fill the void with something that we don't actually enjoy, we'll still end up craving the actual chocolate if that's what we're wanting.
So if we are wanting a guilty snack, when's the best time of day to have it?
Yeah, I mean, look, whenever you're craving it, I would say acknowledge the craving. Just check in. Have I had enough? Have I had enough breakfast, lunch, dinner? If not, maybe have a balanced snack or meal first. Then have the chocky.
Okay. And that nut mix, sorry to jump in now, can you have 3 beers with that?
Look, I wouldn't say no. I think that's fine.
I'll read between the lines on that one.
He's on holidays. He's already thinking of the beers.
Okay, that's different requirements then.
Thank you, Bronwyn. That was great. You can find all the information over on the Sunrise website. And for more great ideas, follow Bronwyn online. That's under Diet-Free Dietitian.
Cheers.
News time. Here's Eddie.
Thank you, Nat and Chevo. First this hour, detectives have made a breakthrough arrest over the